How to craft Spongebob in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. First up, we will combine wind plus earth and we have dust. Dust plus water and we have mud. Mud plus fire and we have brick. Earth plus brick and we have house. Double water and we have lake. Lake plus fire and we have volcano. Right now, let's double lake and we have ocean. Ocean plus earth, we have Iceland. Iceland plus volcano, we have Hawaii. Water plus earth, we have plant. Hawaii plus plant, we have pineapple. Pineapple plus house, we have pineapple under the sea. And the last step, pineapple under the sea plus ocean, we have SpongeBob. So that is the tutorial, guys. Hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next videos.